In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire for clients using Jotform. Whether you're new to Jotform or looking to refine your form creation skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it straightforward and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished, shareable questionnaire ready for your clients. Let's dive right in. First, go to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you already have one, just enter your login details. This step is essential as it provides access to the various features Jotform offers, helping you to harness its full potential. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left side of the interface. You'll see a Create button there. Click on it. This button is your gateway to starting a new project, and it leads you to the various options Jotform provides for building forms. After you click on Create, you'll be presented with several choices. Choose Form and then click on Use Template. This approach saves time by allowing you to build off an existing structure rather than starting from scratch. Now it's time to find a suitable template for your needs. Use the search bar to explore Jotform's extensive library of questionnaire templates. You can type in keywords related to your field or specific requirements, and Jotform will show you a variety of templates to choose from. Templates can range from simple feedback forms to detailed surveys, so take your time to examine them carefully. Once you find a template that fits your needs, go ahead and click on Use Template. This function will import the template directly into your workspace, where you can begin the customization process. Personalization is where you make the form truly yours. Jotform allows you to edit each element within the template, whether it's the introduction text, the questions themselves, or additional branding elements such as your company logo or colors. Editing the template is an intuitive process. Simply click on the elements you want to modify and make the necessary changes. Customize the questions to fit your specific requirements and ensure the form aligns with your communication style and objectives. Remember, a well-tailored questionnaire not only collects information but also enhances the client experience. An excellent feature of Jotform is that it automatically saves your changes as you go. This way you don't have to worry about losing any work if something unexpected happens. Once you are satisfied with your questionnaire, move on to the final step, sharing it with your clients. Click on Publish and you'll be given various options to share your form via email, embedding it on a website, or providing a direct link. And that sums up our tutorial on creating a client questionnaire with Jotform. By following these steps, you now have a versatile, personalized questionnaire ready to gather the valuable feedback you need. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.